Hello, and welcome to Pandora Astrology's monthly horoscope for Aquarius. I'm Julia Mijas, and with me today is...
I'm Jamie Kale Miller. Well, Aquarius, if this is your sun sign, then your birthday is coming up. It's going to be upon us before you even know it. And if you haven't scheduled your yearly birthday reading yet, there's still time to do it before your birthday, which is really the best time to do it. That lets you ritualize your personal New Year's moment and jump into your year empowered to make the best that you possibly can of it. And your solar return birthday reading comes with fantastic affirmations you can use all year. You'll find a link for it in the description below. Well, let's start with career. Great news. Venus is traveling your 10th house for most of the month. She does start the month at the end of your 9th house, finishing that out. But then very quickly, by December 4th, she moves into your 10th house, and Venus is moving fast and direct. So she is really improving and speeding along our relationships and our social connections all over our life. And where this impacts you the most strongly is at work. So your work relationships can go really well this month from December 4 to 29, especially. And you may find that you're just a little bit more charming at work, a little bit more persuasive at work. So this is something to really make use of. Julia, you got some news about relationships and finance. What's that good stuff?
Well, I sure do, Aquarius. So this month, you've got a very full 11th house, a lot of planets in there, and that's the house of friends and groups. So you could find that this is a very social month for you, that you're connecting with your broader social circles or any groups that you're a part of. Now, in terms of your romantic relationship, the ruler of your 7th house of relationship is the sun, and that planet is in your 11th house for most of the month. So there's a big focus on relating to your partner as a friend with this position, and maybe hanging out with your partner with groups of people, not just one-on-one time, but spending romantic time among friends as well. Now, there's going to be a new moon happening this month. It's in the 11th house, and it's tied up not only to your relationship, but also to finance as well, because this new moon is going to be squaring Juno in your 8th house, and Juno is the marriage asteroid. The 8th house is a financial house. So we're getting this dynamic of this new moon in the 11th, meaning your hopes, wishes, and dreams, squaring finance with Juno in your 8th. So that could mean that there might be some tension with your partner over money, especially shared assets together. Like if you guys are needing to take out some credit to buy a car, or something that you've been kind of dreaming about, because remember, the 11th house is really activated here. So, a new cycle happening, definitely in your romantic relationship with this new moon, but definitely some tension over shared money with your partner, and maybe trying to figure out where this new chapter is exactly going and how you guys are going to pay for it.
Yeah, and you know what else, Julia? I'm thinking that applies to business partnerships as well. And you might
Definitely.
even find, Aquarius, that your business partner has taken a fine-tooth comb to the finances that you share and might want to enlighten you about some of, what's going on there, especially under that December 12th new moon. Well, that's all for today. If you like this video, please do like it officially, subscribe to our channel, and share our stuff with all your friends.
You can find our site at pandorastrology.com to get a reading with one of us, and to find us on Patreon for workshops and classes. And we'll see you around the cosmos.
Bye-bye.